What do you think of crypto? Well, today, I would like to share a little bit information for you. Crypto is a new form of money that people are using to buy and sell things online, but also for earning money by mining and trading with other crypto holders. It is a new form of currency that has the potential to change the world. Crypto is a digital currency that can be used as a means of payment or exchange. It is not regulated by any central bank, and its supply cannot be manipulated by governments or other authorities like traditional currencies. It can be used for online transactions without the need for a third party like PayPal or Visa. Crypto has been around for more than 10 years, but it has only recently become popular due to its rapid growth in value and mainstream adoption. There are many different types of cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the most popular one because it was the first cryptocurrency to exist, and it still remains the largest one in terms of market capitalization and value. It's no surprise that crypto has been heavily criticized by many governments and financial institutions who see it as a threat to their centralized power. The future of crypto is still unclear. It's hard to tell what the future of crypto will be. It could be used as a currency, but it could also be used as a store of value or as an investment vehicle. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, created in 2009. It was followed by Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Ripple, and many others. A lot of people have invested in cryptocurrencies because they think it will become a new form of currency for the future, replacing regular money like we know it today. Do you think investing in crypto is a good idea? Well, that's all for now for Simple Brief of Crypto. Until we meet again in next video.